Clear? Now, I said you this bank details of the vendor. Okay. So if you want, you can give these details or vendor bank account details as our dummy data, right? So that vendor has which bank account, maybe something like, the vendor has an account in the ICIC branch, right? Name of the user, bank account holder name, and everything you can give the information. Okay. If still, because we are not doing any transactions now, right? Just this is a dummy one. So if you want, you fill this one. If you don't want, just click on enter here again. It will still allow you to next page. Remember. It should allow me to the next screen. God, I lost something. My connection lost. It's good again. Let me. What I'm creating the vendor. So vendor is nothing but the XK01. Okay. Let me go very fast, as already in our previous session, recording is also done for that one. Okay. So I have given the company code, purchasing organization, and an account group. Now click on enter. So select the as a company, or you can select anything. Document, madam, is something also you can select, but I'm selecting as a company. And here my vendor, this I'm selecting. So now if you see, if I click enter now, if anything mandatory field, it should ask me, see, fill in all required entries. And the focus is in the country, yellow color, right? So it means that this is a mandatory field for that. And these are not the mandatory, but still I'm writing. Okay, postal code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If we save this data things, it came from first page.
Right.
If we save means it will be saved only.
Yes.
We didn't save, that is the reason it is
yes, yes, yes. So now enter. Customer. Again, enter. No mandatory fields. Enter. No mandatory fields. First name, you can give like this. Enter. Name. Again, it is asking something name. Enter. Again, you enter. Reconciliation. So select this checkbox and select this one. 16. 160000 means 1,60,000. Why I am selecting only this? Because my vendor is the trade payables in the domestic. He is the domestic person in between the India. In India, he belongs from the India. The vendor stays in India, somewhere else. Maybe not in Andhra Pradesh, maybe he is staying in Orissa, maybe he is staying some Bhopal, Gujarat, somewhere else. But all the India comes under a domestic. That's the reason I'm selecting as a domestic. Clear? If our vendor is out of our country, out of our India, then we will be selecting the other vendors, like, maybe from domestic supplier or here domestic foreigner. You can see this foreigner. So let us select the domestic. Right now, click on enter. Hey, still there is one mandatory field it is asking. Can you see this one? Fill all the required entry fields. So this is the entry required. So again, click on this box. And which one I have to select? I have to select the A1. A1. Why A1? Again, the same. Domestic person. Correct? If it is a foreign, A2 I'll select. Okay. Let me select the A1 only. Okay. Now press enter. So there is no other important fields. So again, it is asking this one. You can still click on enter. It does not ask me. Still, you click on enter. Here, click on enter. But again, you remember this is important for us. Currency, INR. Because in domestic, the currency that we are following is the INR, India, at least for India. Now, once you give this INR, Indian currency, then you click on the enter again. All are done. Still click enter. So it is telling that edit will be ended. Okay, editing will be ended. We are ending it. So should you start this? Save first. Yes, save it. Now you can see that I created a vendor. My vendor number is this one. My vendor number is this one. So vendor, I am saving this number. Getting my point?
Yes.
Vendor, I saved it. Now close this one. Now what is our target? /n me 11. 11 is the target. Now you can see the vendor directly displayed here. No, in case if it is not displayed, select this box and select the company code KGR1 and you search and enter. So you can see here, there are three vendors. There are three vendors. Means day before yesterday or 2 days back or 3 days back when I created a vendor. So there are the vendors here. But today vendor, whatever I created, that is Akhil, correct? So Akhil, India, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My vendor Akhil can this one and 16. Can you see the 16?
Yes.
So I am selecting that vendor. So automatically it takes that number. Now material. Did I created a material? Yes. Yesterday I created a material. So I can search here. I can search here KGR1. If in case if I don't create any material, please watch my previous video of a material. How to create a material. How to create. So I already created a material and I am using 523 material. Okay. Let me select this one. So you can see 523 material. And purchasing organization I created. That's the reason I have taken KGR1. See here. Here I can search KGR1, enter, and I can see this. Yes, KGR1 purchase organization. I created it. So that's the reason I am selecting KGR1. Plant. Also the same way I can search with the name of company name or KGR1. So there is a plant under this one, plant KGR1. Select this page one. Info record. I am going to create that info record now with a combination of material, vendor, and all these things. So no need to give anything here. Now info record, select the standard one. Select the standard one and click on enter. Click on enter. So if you got this kind of a error, so please ignore it. Don't worry. This is an error related to the ABAP programming error. There is a program says there's some error related to the ABAPers. So ABAP team in real time, ABAP team will be taking care of it. So for us, no problem. For us, we have to go back again and go to M11, select all these, press enter. Maybe sometimes now you did not got that error. Correct? Earlier you got error, but now. So this is a reminder. First reminder. See, just like, if you don't pay internet bill, if you don't know, if you don't pay like TV bills or any other bills, credit card bills, loan EMIs bills, they give a reminder, right? The same way, the first reminder in 1 day, the second reminder, 2 days, third reminder, 3 days, like that. Reminder, it is just a reminder calls to you. Okay. Now you click on enter. So delivery time means they told that in 3 days, after 3 days, they will be delivering the product to the house, right? So 4 days. I'm giving the delivery day maximum as a 5 days of delivery time. Now press enter. So it is telling that fill all the entry fields. Where is the interview? I don't have any star, but the focus is now at the standard quantity. So let me give some standard quantity as 1000. Anything you give, 100, 200, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 kg, something. But 1000 kgs or 100 kgs I'm giving here. That's what I'm creating now. Yes. How many kgs you want? Okay. Now again you press enter. So price, give me 5 rupees price, right? See here, 5 rupees, 1 kg, right? So if I give 10 kg, 5 rupees, how many kgs quantity? 100 kgs. 10 kgs, 5 means 100 kgs, how much? 50. 1 kg, 5 rupees. 100 kgs, it would be
500.
500.
Oh, 5. Yeah, 500.
You are getting confused. So that's the reason I changed here. So 10 kgs cost is 5 rupees now. Or you just make it 1 kg only, not to confuse. So 1 kg, I'm charging 5 rupees. Then my total quantity is 100 kgs. So 500 into 5, 500 rupees. Correct? So that's fine. Now just you click on enter. Quotation not required. Not possible to determine the condition type error. This is not the error. This is showing in the green color. Correct? So that's fine. You press again enter. Again you press enter. Save data. Yes. So you also got the purchase info record now. This is your PIR info record. So I am saving it here. I am saving it here. PIR. This is the number. This is how you create your purchase info record. By the T code MV11. By the T code MV11, we created the PIR. If I want to change or edit my PIR, what I should do? /n, huh? MV12. Who told you? Materials, purchasing, master data, info record. See, creation is there. There is a change of MV12. Correct? So click on MV12. And you should
one more is there. MV14 changes.
see, wait. I'll come there. I'll show that. Now, which PIR I need to change? So select that vendor. Select this number. This. Okay. And click on enter. You got. You want to change what? Do you want to change first, second, third, or something? Or you want to add something? Like here, vendor material number. Okay. I'm giving some vendor material number. 83418273 374. Some number I have given. I have given vendor material number. Some number I have given. Earlier, I have not given this number. Correct? Now, I have given this number. Okay? Enter. Enter. Okay. Required all the fields. Earlier, my price was 5 rupees. Now, let me give as 10 rupees. Enter. 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 Yes. Again, you see the number. I got some number. PIR number. Let me. Yes, of course, it is the same.
We changed the data.
Yes, we changed the data, but the number is the same. See, for example, if you are an employee of some company, company has given you the employee ID for you. Correct?
Yes.
So when you join the company, you are in one location, some X location, Hyderabad, Kukatpalli, you are there. But after 2-3 years, maybe you change it from Kukatpalli to Amirpet. So you are giving some update information to the company that I am not staying in Kukatpalli. Now my contact information is at the Amirpet. In case if the company wants to give any gifts to us, recently happened because of corona, people are not going to office, so they are sending the gift to home directly, like the Diwali gift or all. So according to company, when he joined, the gift item will go to the Kukatpalli, but he has to update the information in the company that he changed something, and that the gift item will go to Amirpet. But employee ID won't change. Correct? The same thing is like this. This is the ID, PIR is ID is there, but information got changed like that. Now, I also done the changed. So that's the reason you can see here, purchase info record, KR changed. You got as a changed. Clear? Now closing this one. Now go back. This is the back button. Now display. Just click on display. So this information I want to see. See here. All fields are there, but I can't edit anything. It is only view. Enter, 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 enter. All are just a view. Last date screen reached, ended. This is warning. This is a warning, not the error. You got my point. Warning shows like, exclamatory of something. Red means it will show you in a red color. Red with red symbolic. Error, saying that error. I'll show you those things also sometimes whenever we got. Warning means triangle with exclamatory saying that, hey, caution, warning. Red is red, green is green. It's all good. Green, data is saved. Data changed successfully like that. Now, display also you have seen. ME 13, according to my PPT slide, you can see here. ME 11 we have seen, ME 12 we have seen, ME 13 we have seen. Correct? Now you see ME 14 now. This is what you are asking. Display changes views. So go back and you see the changes ME 14. So my info record is correct 178. So 178 I'm giving KGR info category something. Or if you don't want, you remove this. You remove this. Even one is also enough. Like this. Only info record I have given and I am executing it. So you can see the difference here now. Material number used, old. Old was blank. Because old number I have not given anything. But when I have given new is the new number I have given. You can see at what time I got changed. At what time? 257, some 95. 9257. Hours, minutes, seconds. 9 minutes, 9 hours, 5 minutes. After 9-5. 9-2 I created. 9-5 I changed something. So these are the things. See, document numbers. First time when I created it is 31. Second time I did a changes. Document number got 32. So here also you can see all the changes as whatever we did. So this is the changes. Display changes views. Whatever you changed, the difference it will show. If you don't change anything, obviously there is nothing change. If even small dot is also there, it will show you. Right? Now displays changes also is done. Next, flag or deletion. This is not required for us. We can leave. So it is nothing but a deletion or a flag. Means this vendor is not good, right? He's not providing the things on time. Just like how you give your ratings for Swiggy or something else, reviews, right? You are suggesting, no, it is not good, right? This person is not giving a right product to us, not right, delivering the right product on time, right? Whatever you face the problems, you are giving some reviews to the under that vendor. The same thing is this one. So we can make deletion flag. Can you see this one? Deletion flag. Complete info record. So deletion flag, I'm giving checkbox and I click on save.
It will be
it will be deleted
deleted.
or it will be make as a flag warning to other one if someone wants to purchase anything from this vendor. If someone want to purchase anything from that vendor,
Like a review.
review, simple. So for now, I'm not deleting this record. Why I don't want to delete anything, right? So that's fine. So list display. So how many by vendors? See here. How many vendors are there? 3 vendors. But I created Akhil vendor now. With vendor, this Akhil vendor only I created the material and everything. So if I select Akhil vendor and I execute it, how many I will get? I'll get only 1 because I created just now only 1 PIR, right? When I go back, this back, if I created same vendor again with not this vendor, another vendor, assume that I am doing with Naresh vendor. I did not created anything, but I want to check it. So it is telling that no selection possible because with this vendor, I did not created any PIR.
You created something that's why it's showing.
Yes. With Akhil, it is there. With Naresh, there is no. Maybe with another, there won't be there. Correct? The same way. Go back again. If you want to check by a material, still you can go by this one. If you are doing it by material, you can see the T code here. ME
One
1M. Earlier by vendor you did, right? So ME 1L. Vendor. Material by M. Material group by W. So let me show by material. So who is my material? See, I have how many materials? So I have 2 materials. Which material I used? 523 I used. If I am using the second material and execute, simply saying no selection possible.
because it is not created. anywhere.
Not that right. So if I give 3 and I did it, yes, I have 1 PIR. You can see here, vendor, this is the vendor. Vendor name, my vendor Akilan. Info record number 172. Rule, like purchase category, all this information comes like this. Clear? So this is how the PIR will be created. And these all are not required. These all are just to display only, just to see by vendor or by material group. So what is my material group? KGR1. As per my knowledge, I have KGR1 material group. See here, only one group is there. So I want to select search with this group. So no possible selections are coming this one. So there is no. Maybe I have another option. I can do it by the vendor here. Why vendor? This vendor. Okay, execute. No possible. So they are not coming. Maybe material group are not there, something like that. So if you have, it will come. Simple. If you have, it will. So just like, for example, if you go to any bank, right? If you tell the account number, if they are not finding your account number, what they will tell? They'll ask you your name. They'll search by your name. Still, there is a Prashant number of people is coming. 10 people are coming. Again, they will ask your second name, date of birth, otherwise the phone number. So a search criteria is different. Correct? So the same way we are searching. So we are searching by vendor, we are searching by material, we are searching by material group or with any other items. Just searching to see the information. If there is a data, it will show you. If there is no data, it won't show you. Clear? Right. So I'm stopping this record. Let me stop this record.